Hi, so I want to create a quick tutorial for using Google Meet. First of all, there's several ways to log into a Google Hangouts Meet. The first one, if you've been scheduled in a meeting, probably the easiest way is just to log into Google Calendar and click on the event, the meet, and if you look in the information here, as long as it was set up in Calendar, you can copy this link or click on the link and it'll take you right to the Google Meet Hangout, and from there you can initiate your camera and microphone and then join the meeting. Another way to do it that's just as easy as just type in to the URL meet.google.com, hit enter, and from here any scheduled meetings that you have set up will show up. Don't have anything scheduled for today. This is also a place where you could create a meeting if you want to join or start a meeting. Create one, test. Go ahead and do that. While that's setting up, I'll show you a third way you can do this. Is if you don't have access to your computer, you can actually do this on your phone. So if you download the app, Google Meet app, you can click on that app and within that app you can go ahead and join whatever meeting. As long as you have the meeting code or a meeting's been scheduled for you, you can go ahead and join it from right there. So anyways, back to the Google Meet settings. I'm just going to go ahead and enter this. I'll be the only one in it, but one of the things that I noticed makes it easier to use is if you go into full screen in your browser, just click this little green button right here and make it full screen. It gives you easier access to the buttons, so they'll always be here, easier to find. So some of the features in the button, one thing that's really important is you want to make sure that your microphone is muted unless you're talking. Slightest sounds, clicks, chewing will make your screen pop up and will distract from the meeting. So you just click on that button to silence. This button is the hang up button. That's how you leave the call. And this button, if for some reason you have to, you want to hide your face, you can turn your camera off with this button. Some other features. If you click up here on the top, there is a list. This is a list of everybody who's in the meeting. So right now it's just me. It also shows who's muted and who's not muted. If I come back over here, I click on the screen again to get back to this view, and again click on this list over here to get to this view. So I can click back and forth between these two. Another useful tool is the chat bar. So we can type in messages and communicate while whoever's presenting is presenting. So you can enter messages here and it'll pop up and people can ask and answer questions. One other important aspect of this is the little menu bar over here. So if you click on these three little dots, you get your menus. You can change the layout. So it's set to auto by default. You can have a sidebar view, spotlight a particular person, or you can have a tiled view that will show the most recent people who are talking. They'll share your screen equally. There's another feature that I can't really see without having multiple people, I don't think, but you can pin people. Yeah, if you pin a person by clicking on their face, that will make them stay on your screen. So if you just wanted to listen to your principal or somebody talk, you click that pin to hold their face here, and even as other people are talking, they won't jump into the screen. And you can click to unpin them as well. That's pretty much it for using Google Meet. So for now, I'm going to hang up and say goodbye.